Hello, friends! Welcome to a new lesson on logo animation in After Effects. I would like to wish you a happy new year and wish you creative inspiration, new results, and fulfilled dreams. Also, if you want to get all the full lessons on logo animation, visit my Patreon channel. So let's get started without delay. To get started, let's create a composition like mine. Now open the logo file for animation. Let's drag the composition to the workspace. We see the layers that we need to convert to shapes. Select all the layers, right-click, Convert to Shape. Great! Now you can delete the vector layers. The first thing we're going to animate is the logo letters S and F. Right-click and create a new layer. Also, I recommend always making our layers different colors for easier work. So we're going to work with the 3D settings. Click on the cube at the top of the toolbar and click Opposite Layers. Great. Now select the Advanced 3D panel. Now open the layer settings and follow me. So now do the same with the other layer. Great! We made the letters of the logo volumetric. Now we will see it. Now create a null object to bind our layers to it. After that, add the 3D option to the null object as well. Now we need to select a convenient camera for the view. After that, use the arrow on your keyboard to drag our null object in the middle of our 3D logo. Great. Now bind our two layers to the null object. After that, press R on the keyboard to open the rotation settings. We can see that our null object is in the middle of the depth of the 3D object. That's what we need. Now we just need to set the animation keys and make the rotation animation. That's it. Now let's set up the speed graphs. Let's take a look at the result. It turned out great and interesting.